File sharing between TaxCalc and Engager is now live. This is a new functionality that allows you to save documents generated within TaxCalc across accounts, tax, company's house forms, MTD quarterly filer, and so on directly into the Engager client portal in just a few clicks. Let's take a look at how it works in practice. It's important to note that the client must already be linked between TaxCalc and Engager for this feature to work. You can check this within Practice Manager via the Engager app integration status column here. With the client linked, we'll select Bravo Limited and open in Accounts Production. Once we're in Accounts Production, we'll navigate straight to Check and Finish, where we'll see the option Send to Document Manager. Selecting Send to Document Manager opens a pop-up window where you can choose which documents to upload to the Engager client portal. For this example, we'll select the full financial statements and the registrar financial statements. Before sending, you can change the file names. This is particularly useful for version control or, for example, making documents draft. Next, select the destination folder. It's important to understand here that the folder structure reflects what has been set up in Engager. If you need additional folders, these should be created in Engager first. They will then appear in this drop-down within TaxCalc. Since we're in Accounts, we'll select the relevant Accounts and Year-End folder. Once everything is set, click Send. You'll see a progress bar as the documents are transferred from TaxCalc to Engager. And that's it. Both documents have been sent successfully. Clicking View Saved Files, we can go straight to the client record in Engager. Now in Engager, we can navigate to the Files section of the client record, then into the Accounts folder and the Year-End folder in which we saved those two documents. Here you'll see the documents we just uploaded from TaxCalc. If we want to request a signature, simply select the document, open the file details and click Request Signing. Choose the signee, save your selection and proceed through the standard Engager signing workflow. And there we have it. A document generated in TaxCalc seamlessly saved to the Engager client portal and ready for electronic approval. A smooth, efficient integration between two best-in-class solutions. That's file sharing between TaxCalc and Engager.